Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame and this is my jam. And I think I'm funny. Okay, so I have been just jonesing for different bags. I don't know for sure for what reason because we don't get to go anywhere. But for when we do, I wanted to try to get a bag from Aspinal of London. I've never gotten anything from there, but what is it, Style by Gwenny? Her Vlogmas and all of her items from there, along with watching LuxPurseLove speak about the quality of Aspinal of London, made me think that maybe my next bag should be Aspinal of London. And I've been kind of jonesing too for a Gucci bag like this, but never quite found the right color or exact item that was exactly what I was looking for. And I was looking at the Aspinal website and I spied this and I had to have it. And it was on sale, so that was nice. Plus, I was able to have it personalized, which I really liked and didn't even know was a thing. So it was amazing. I got the word that my order had processed last week, maybe Wednesday, and it's here in the United States in my hands. I just can't believe it, and I wanted to show you all it was a true unboxing as you watch me struggle with opening it. I did not do this, it came this way. So I'm just really excited to see what I have and how they boxed it and let you see the whole experience. So we're almost there. So here we go. So it's definitely packaged up real nice. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at everybody. Look at. Make sure my address isn't showing anywhere. But it comes in this beautiful box. Aspinal of London. So, let's see. I'm so excited to see what they have here. Taking out the little baggies. I'm going to pull the whole box out so you can see that. Oh, wow, that's neat. There's some information, it looks like, for return and stuff inside here. I'm just going to set this all off to the side. I don't think anybody's any more interested in the packaging than that. So, here we go. Aspinal of London. I've just got to turn it my way to look. Oh, here we go. It's got a nice dust bag that says Aspinal of London. Oh, I can feel it already, and I'm just loving it. So what I got was this beautiful velvet bag. And then I had it personalized with my initials on here. And that's really nice. Oh my gosh, is this soft? It is just super soft. I wanted, and then it's got like embossed croc, leather on the bottom. You can see how nice and packaged up the shoulder strap is. So I really wanted this. I believe it's called the Lottie. And I wanted to get one of the Gucci leather bags because I had heard theirs were good. I also had heard Yves Saint Laurent was good. Or Saint Laurent, whatever. But I saw this and I thought, oh my gosh, that black looks so good. And I just, like I said, hearing everybody else talk about it, I'm like, why not give it a shot? This was significantly less expensive than the other companies, and then it would give me something from their brand to see if I liked it. And then you throw in the personalization and the sale, and I am all there for it. So this is just beautiful. So yeah, it has 4 feet here. And then nice long strap here. Little tangle there. Looks like it's got leather on the inside of that. Front has my initials. The back, it almost looks like it has a pocket, but it doesn't. This is so soft. Then to open it, Just open that. And then inside, you got the velvet here. And then super fun red interior. There's 2 pockets and then another zip pocket in here. Oh, is the zipper smooth or not? There we go. Yeah, that's good. And so yeah, this is my bag. Just my nice little Aspinal bag. I'm trying to give you a size comparison. Actually, like here's my Coach Cassie. It's the bag I'm using right now. So you can see it's not quite as big. It's about a little more than an inch shorter. Width is probably, yeah, quite a bit different. Height's quite a bit different. But yeah, I'm just so excited. So here's my bag. If you have any questions on it, dangle this, sorry, just let me know. Otherwise, you can ask me any questions in the comments. I just thought it'd be really neat to see this. I am very pleased. I'm going to look it over a little bit more once I'm off camera here. But all in all, this is just beautiful. And wow, for the price, I think it was like around $300 is what I paid for it. Let me just see here. Yeah, it's the Lottie Small Black Velvet Smooth. With shipping and the personalization, it came to $347. So I don't think that's bad at all for this. There's one there. So yeah, my new little baby. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Please remember to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And see you next time.